When I come to Lebanon, I was 10 years old with my mom and my brother. Here, I need another operation because my arm there was a problem. So Fritz, he helped me. This is moment, like I told to myself, I want to be a doctor because I want to save people.
When the Syrian war started, we had about 800,000 school-age children who were not in school and who had missed at least one, if not two school years. But the Lebanese school system was completely overwhelmed. So we started an informal camp school in the refugee camps, and we adopted the Lebanese curriculum to prepare them for integration in public schools. However, the journey didn't stop there. The majority of public schools in Lebanon is implementing a French curriculum where math and science are taught in French, which is not the case in Syria. In Syria, it is Arabic. So from the beginning on, we had intensive French classes with remedial classes, which was not a luxury, which was a pure necessity.
The Peace Center is another home to me. I learn English in this center, and math and physics and chemistry. My mom, she support me because she think the education is very important for the girl. Now I'm student in Lebanon University. In the first year in biology, I want to be a doctor because I want to do something good in my life.